Good morning, students. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey from the early days of machines to modern robots, and finally, to the latest innovation, cobots. We'll learn how technology evolved to work with humans, not just for humans. A machine is simply a tool. It can help us lift, move, or process materials, but it only works when we operate it. A machine has no sense of what it's doing, it just follows the user's input completely. A robot is a smart machine. It can sense its surroundings, process information, and perform tasks automatically, sometimes even without human control. So, while a fan just spins when we press a button, a robot knows when to start, how fast to move, and when to stop. Here's a clear comparison. Machines are passive tools, while robots are active systems. Robots can sense, make decisions, and carry out actions independently. That's what makes them so special. Think of a robot like the human body. Sensors act like our eyes and ears. The controller acts like our brain, and actuators are like our muscles. All three parts work together to perform tasks efficiently. Let's test your understanding. Look at these examples. A fan or dishwasher are machines because they need us to start and stop them. But a robotic arm or self-driving car can sense and act on their own. That means they're robots. Although robots are smart, they're not perfect. They can't feel emotions, adapt easily to new situations, or handle unplanned events well. This is where the idea of cobots, collaborative robots, comes in. Cobots represent the next step in automation. Instead of working alone behind safety fences like traditional robots, cobots share workspace with humans, safely and intelligently. They sense human presence and adjust their behavior accordingly. Cobots are friendly robots. They have built-in sensors to detect contact and stop movement immediately, ensuring safety. They can be taught tasks easily and assist humans in repetitive, tiring jobs. Here's how cobots differ from traditional robots. Robots replace human effort, while cobots enhance it. They're designed to make humans more efficient and safe, not to eliminate human involvement. Cobots are becoming increasingly important. They make industrial and service work safer and more precise. They can lift, assist, or assemble, while humans handle creativity and decision making. Technology evolves step by step. We started with simple machines, then automated robots, and now cobots that understand and cooperate with us. It's a perfect example of human and artificial intelligence coming together. In real life, cobots are everywhere. From hospitals to factories to classrooms, they're revolutionizing how humans and machines share workspaces. The future belongs to collaboration, not competition. Cobots will handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, while humans focus on innovation, creativity, and problem solving. Cobots will handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, while humans focus on innovation, creativity, and problem solving. To summarize, machines helped us do work, robots automated it, and cobots now help us share work safely. This marks a new era where humans and technology truly cooperate. Always remember, technology should empower people, not replace them. Cobots are a symbol of that partnership between human skill and robotic precision.